Hi guys, before we get started with this week's episode, I want to remind everyone to go on over to MissPlanet.com and check out our newly launched website. We have fantastic features on there for you, and I want to let you know one special feature is our resource library, where we have free resources. Yes, I did say free. And right now, for a limited time, we have our wedding planning guide up and ready for you to download, all for free. So head on over there and check it out. So this week we have a request from a community member, and her name is Marjorie, and she writes, "Hello Miss Planet." Hello Marjorie. First, I want to thank you for all the videos. I love them and love how easy you explain it. Oh, thank you Marjorie. Thank you for your hard work. I am emailing you because I'm planning my daughter's quinceañera soon. The theme is Enchanted Forest. I love the branch tree for each side of the entrance, but I need help because we are on a budget. I love DIY and decor, and I love the process, but I need your guidance. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Thank you so much in advance, Marjorie. Well, Marjorie, not only am I going to show you how to put this together, and you're not going to believe how simple it is, but I'm also going to give you the links to all the supplies, a lot of which come from the Dollar Tree. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Enchanted Forest Decor. All right, let's get to it. So to create our base, we're going to use this 8-inch planter, and I'm going to use a 6-inch half sphere. Now, if you can't find a half sphere, you just take a 6-inch styrofoam ball and cut it in half. It works just the same. The base is usually around 6 inches, so you can fit it in nice and snug, but if it's a little larger, no worries. Just go ahead and take some hot glue, put it at the bottom of your pot, and then stick the styrofoam half right on top. From there, we're going to add our stems. Now, I always do an indentation before I put the hot glue, and then I reinsert it, hold it for a minute or two, and repeat that same step with as many stems as you would like. The stems come in different shapes and sizes, and it really just depends on how full or how sparse you want the top to be. But add the hot glue, hold it down, and then you can secure it with some fishing line. I like to make sure that my base is more like a tree trunk, so I always secure it with 2 rounds of our 25-pound fishing line. It's simply just wrapping it around it and then tying it in about 2 or 3 knots. Then I'm going to go ahead and load in some pebbles right on top of it, and that makes sure that if I'm outside or if somebody bumps into it, it's not going to knock my whole tree over. It's really that simple. So go ahead and load your pebble rocks in there, secure it with 1 more round of fishing wire, just to make sure that that base is nice and secure. Now that we have a strong base, it's time to decorate. Go ahead and add in 3 to 4 white and 3 to 4 purple hydrangea stems, or any color hydrangea stems that you would like. We have 3 elements that we're going to decorate our tree with. One is rosebud, one's baby breath, and one is a tea light. So I'm going to show you how to put all 3 of those elements together. So the first is our just tea light globe, and don't worry, all of the links to all of the supplies are in the description right below this video for you. So you just simply put a tea light in there, turn it on, it's ready to go. Second is our baby's breath. I like this dried baby's breath, preferably to the plastic one. It just gives a softer look and more natural look. I'm just twisting some basic tape that I have in the drawer that I wrap Christmas presents with, just Scotch tape. You wrap it, cut off the ends, and it creates a beautiful little baby's breath bouquet. Our final element is our rosebud. Super simple. We're just going to take the rosebud, cut off a length of your pearl iridescent trim. Now, it can be as long as or as short as you want it. I don't typically go longer than 12 inches, so somewhere between 6 and 12 inches depending on how you hang it from your tree. Now I'm just looping the pearl on top of itself and then securing it with a little bit of hot glue to create a loop so I can actually hang it like a hook on one of my tree stems. Next, I'm going to just put a little hot glue around the base of my rosebud, let it dry, and it's all ready to hang. Now, you may find that your stems are a little sparse here and there. You can use that same fishing wire technique to kind of pull some of the branches together to fill in some of the empty space. It's really, really simple. And now you're just gonna hang your elements as you would decorate, say, a Christmas tree. And guess what? If you hang something and you don't like it, you get to change it. It's really that simple. Trust yourself, guys. You can absolutely do this. Now you will notice that I use the fishing wire as well as the pearl trim to hang my elements. You can always substitute ribbon. You can substitute really anything to hang them with that you would like. So don't be nervous. If you want to try ribbon, try the ribbon. If you want to try some other sort of trim, go for it. Don't limit yourself. Remember, we give you the plant, you take it, and you make it your own. Well, Marjorie, how did we do? I hope you love it as much as we do. Now, even though we created this for Marjorie's daughter's quinceañera, I also want you to know that you can use this in so many different venues, from weddings to baby showers to just a beautiful tea party. So don't be limited to just using this idea for one event versus another. It is very versatile. Well guys, if you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you would like to hang out with us a little bit more, you can join us by following us on our social media platforms. And those are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. They pay you to shop. So simple. Go down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Well guys, our time has come to an end, but before I go, I want to remind you that the links to all of the supplies for all of our projects are always in the description below. Just click on the Show More button and you will see all of the information there for your pleasure. In addition to that, if you have a question or you want to just leave a comment, we would love to hear from you. I answer all the questions and comments myself. There are so many, it does take me a minute, but I want you to know that we have a fantastic community of DIYers that are there to assist you until I can get to you myself. So help each other. It takes a village, and we have a fantastic village right here on thisplanet.com. Well guys, I want to thank you for choosing me to spend your time with. We know you have so many options here on YouTube. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on this planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.